Welcome to Kids On with Trishy. That's me. Today we're going to sing a song about little bees. We're going to sing a song about bees. Do you see that? Can you say bee, bee, bees? The insect bees. What sound do the bees make? Bzzz. And you know the song we're going to sing, it's about catching a bee in our hand. But please don't ever catch a real bee in your hand because they do sting. So don't ever touch a bee. Just stay away from them, friends. All right, are you ready? All right, we're going to pretend that we're walking through the park. Walking through the park and we see some bees bzzz, buzzing around. Ready to sing our song? You could pretend your hand is a bee, but I have a little pretend bee that I made. There's our bee. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goes like this. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ow! It stung me! I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ooh, it's all over me, yucky. I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off, clean it up, clean it up. I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. So my mommy won't be mad at me. All done. So what you do is put your little hands together and pretend there's a bee, a pretend bee. Like I said, never catch a real bee because they really sting. So put your hands together. Let's do it one more time. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Yuck! It's all over me. I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. So my mommy won't be mad at me. Aw, great job, my friend.
The happy bee. Every morning, the little bee flew from flower to flower. Hello, Daisy. Goodbye, Daisy. Hello, Rosie. Goodbye, Rosie. Hello, Poppy. Goodbye, Poppy. Hello, Lily. Goodbye, Lily. Sometimes the wind blew. Sometimes the sun shone. Sometimes it rained all at the same time. And that made the little bee very happy. The end.